You're listening to Love FM 95.1 FM. That's the radio playing right now. We're cleaning up over here at the palapa. So there's Mr. Guillermo chopping away. That's Kevin sharpening his machete. Hey, Kevin! And this is the tool of the day, a pitchfork. And initially I tried using that wheelbarrow to transport the grass over onto this side where Mr. Guillermo is going to be doing a fire pit to be able to control the fire. And that didn't go too well. It was hard getting over the big heads of grass. And so I just started dragging them over, you know, bunch by bunch. And it's going great. And it's hard, but I'm going faster with a pitchfork than I would have done with a regular rake. Anyway, I gotta get back to work. Later!